Hey everyone! Did you know that over 70% of internet users are tracked online every single day? That's a staggering number, right? It's a little scary when you think about how much information is being collected about us without our consent. So today we're diving into something truly groundbreaking, a new feature in a popular browser that claims to make you completely untraceable online. In a world where our every click can be tracked, this is a game changer that could revolutionize online privacy for all of us. Let's get into it. Now let's talk about the ongoing challenges we face when it comes to online privacy. Advertisers are constantly tracking our behavior, collecting data on what we like, what we search for, and even what we buy. This has led to a demand for better privacy solutions because, let's be honest, no one likes feeling like they're being watched. We want to browse freely without being bombarded by ads tailored to our every move. It's a bit of a digital nightmare, and many users are starting to feel overwhelmed by how little privacy they actually have. Alright, so how does this new feature actually work? This browser uses advanced technology to mask your identity and prevent tracking in a way that existing tools just can't match. Think of it like a digital invisibility cloak. It employs a combination of encryption and anonymization techniques to make sure that your online activities remain private. Unlike traditional VPNs or privacy modes, this feature actively disrupts tracking attempts by advertisers and other third parties. It's designed to keep your data away from prying eyes while you surf the web, making it a must-try for anyone concerned about their online footprint. Now here comes the most exciting part. The key moment that sets this feature apart is its ability to block tracking scripts in real time. This means that the moment you click on a link or visit a new site, it actively prevents any tracking software from logging your activity. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your online presence. This could change how we interact with the internet forever, giving users the power to browse freely without fear of being tracked. To wrap it all up, we've talked about the shocking reality of online tracking, the challenges we face, and how this new browser feature could potentially change the game for privacy. With the ability to block tracking in real time, it's a significant step towards reclaiming our online freedom and privacy. Before you go, I want to hear from you. What do you think about online privacy? Is this new feature something you'd use? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on all things tech, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.